Let's change your Roblox avatar pose and profile picture. Now let's head into the Roblox app if you're on iPhone, Android, or a computer. And we can go to your avatar. You can see this is mine. It's just a default look of my avatar. And I can change the clothing and customize him. But if I wanted him to do different poses or emotes, I can change that by tapping on the picture at the top left. And here you can see some free ones. So I can choose shrug, point to, stadium, or hello if I wanted to. And then I can also choose to buy some of them. You can see all of these cost 50 Robux. So I can go through and choose if I wanted to buy any ones as well. But let's just do the free options. I'm going to go up and choose hello. Now I can hit the next button. And after I've done that, let's just choose reset to reset your profile picture with that new pose. And then I can choose to either zoom in or zoom out, depending on your preference. I kind of like it zoomed out a little bit, but I'm going to rotate him just like that. You can see if I go back and forth, it will rotate him. I'm going to rotate him just like that and hit next. And then it will give you a preview of what it will look like. You can hit the view full avatar if you want to see the full one or just close up. And then just hit save. Now, if I hop out of here, and other people will be able to see that new profile picture when they go to my profile.